Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lacey, if you didn't already know, aka I Beat That Face. I am here today with another wig install tutorial, and y'all, do you see this hair? How gorgeous it is. This hair is so soft, so bouncy. I honestly love Hair by Belle Bree's hair, and this was their 27 1B wig that I colored blue, which is one of my favorite hair colors. So if you want to see how I got this look, oh, I'm shook, y'all. So if you want to see how I got this look, how I colored this hair and installed it, please keep watching. All right, so let's show you the wig. So this is what it looks like fresh out the bag. I haven't washed it or anything, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Standard cap, 2 clips on the side, 2 clips on the bottom. I think my other frontal wig that I had from them had a clip here, but I might be tripping. And then the hairline looks pre-plucked already, very natural. So I'm not gonna have to do too much, but I'll show you what I'm gonna do to it. And it's the 27 1B color, and I am going to dye it, of course. So yeah, if you want to see how I get this wig all snatched and popping, keep watching. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna start by bleaching the knots. First, you want to spray your hair with some hairspray or some water, just so if the color bleeds, not the color, but if the bleach bleeds through, it doesn't color the hair, it just colors the knots. So that's what I'm doing here, just combing it through. Now, when you want to make your bleach mixture, you want to make it pretty thick, not too thick to where you can't spread it, but like thick enough that it doesn't go through the lace. So I'm using the Ion Bleach and Developer. I like this one because it smells really good. Yeah, it smells like gardenia, so it doesn't really burn your nostrils out. So you want to add tiny amounts of developer at a time, because you want the bleach to be, you know, pretty thick, but not thick enough that you can't spread it out, if that makes any sense. I don't know. If you could kind of see the consistency that I got it to, that'll be the perfect consistency. And I used 30 volume developer to bleach the knots. So the consistency of the bleach should kind of be like cake frosting, if that makes any sense. Like pretty creamy, but not too runny, not too thick. And then when you spread the bleach onto the lace, you do not want to press too hard, because you don't want the color to go through the lace and bleach the roots and the knots, because that won't be cute. Like, you'll have hot roots on your lace, and that's just not, it's not where it's at, okay? It's not popping. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using today. Honestly, you guys, get 1 or 2 more bottles of color, because this hair is pretty thick and density, and the color didn't get all the way through the middle, so I had to redo it again. And then I also didn't show you guys that I put clear color. So after I take my hair out the water, I wash it, dry it, and then you want to put clear color to kind of seal the color in, and then it's ready to go. So now you guys see me putting Gotta Be on my edges, and I'm just going to brush it back, because you don't want your baby hairs to slide down when you put the stocking cap on. So yeah, I'm just going to put that on there, and then I did hit it a little bit with the blow dryer to make it go faster. But, you know, it doesn't take that long to dry. Next, I'm going to be cleaning my hairline off with 99% alcohol. We're using this to remove any excess oil and dirt and anything like that from the skin to make your install last longer. Now I'm just going to be putting my stocking cap on. Pretty standard, but you want to make sure you tuck your ponytail real flat in the back because you don't want it lumpy back there. Now I'm going to spray my cap down with hairspray. You can use any hard hold hairspray. This is just what I had on hand. You can use Gotta Be spray, whatever you like. Now I'm just taking the gel on my side tabs because, you know, that's the part that lifts first. And put as many coats as you need. I did 2 layers. And then I couldn't find my small scissors, so be careful if you're using big scissors. And then I ran out of my darker caps. You know, I like using the darker brown cap because it blends into my skin better. But I ran out, so I'm just going to take Gotta Be on my edges. Well, the edges of the cap, and then make it flat. Then I'm going to be taking the Bold Hold Skin Protect and doing 2 layers across my hairline to help prevent sweating, creating a protective barrier between the glue, and yeah, it helps the glue last longer. And isn't the hair gorgeous? It came out so pretty. Now I'm just putting it on, seeing, you know, what the hairline's doing. And I plucked it off camera. I forgot to show you guys how I tweezed it, so next time I'll show you guys. And you can see on the sides like where the cap was, so I went through and added some powder to the cap just to make it blend better. Now I am cutting off the lace, so I like to cut the middle with scissors and then take an eyebrow razor, just because you do not want to cut the hairline straight across. That's when it looks pretty unnatural. So take your time with the razor and, you know, do it real slow. And then when it came to the ear tabs, I had to do that off camera because I always end up cutting some of the hair off. I don't know how, but this time I did a little bit better. But I had to do it off camera because I just had to take the wig off my head and really look and put it back on and look again. And this video is already a little lengthy, so yeah. That's just what I'm doing here. It's just cautiously cutting the hairline. Now I'm going to be taking the Bold Hold lace tape and taping the sides of my cap down. This is just going to make the ear tabs last longer. This is my first time trying this tape, so I'm pretty excited. And then for the glue, I'm using the Meltdown lace glue. And I really like this one because it really melts it to your hair. And I'm out of the Bold Hold. Well, I'm almost out of the Bold Hold Active, so I just decided to switch it up a little bit. But I do really like this glue a lot. So I did 3 layers of the glue. And I did my hair in sections this time. So I did the middle, 3 layers in the middle, 3 on the side. So take your time. When you take your time, that's when you get a longer lasting install. Easier to do, you know, easier to work with. So you're just going to see me putting 1 layer and then spreading it out. But I actually did 3 layers. I did 2 off camera. And then you want to make sure your glue dries completely clear each layer before you add another one, because you don't want it lumpy or white, because it'll be hard to get the white out later on after you actually put the lace down. So you want it to be completely clear before you actually adhere your lace. And then make sure you get all the little baby hairs out of the glue, because if you have hair in your glue is not gonna stick. I'm gonna be honest with you, like, it is not gonna hold. And then I take the back of a rat tail comb and just press the lace into the skin. Make sure it's tight and secure. And this combo that I did today, it is secure, baby. Secure the lace, honey. Y'all see this color though? It's just so gorgeous. So you want to wait like 10-20 minutes before you remove your hair tie after you tie it down, just to make sure it melts all in. The longer you wait, the better. Now I'm going to be styling it. Today we're going to be doing half up, half down. Y'all know that's my jam. So I'm just parting out the sides, taking how much hair I want and brushing it up real smooth. And do y'all see how good I plucked the lace? Like, my tweezing skills are getting better and better, y'all. I am very impressed with mine, okay? So yeah, you just want to brush that up into a high pony, but make sure you get it real smooth. Take a hair tie, wrap it around. Y'all know how to make a ponytail. I don't even know why I'm telling y'all. Y'all know how to make a pony, okay? Now I'm going to be taking my mousse from Dry Bar. You could take any mousse that you like. I just really like this one. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but it works. So I go over with the mousse first, and then I put the gel on top to hold it in place. Just because the mousse doesn't dry hard, so if you mess up, you could go back in and fix it. It honestly takes me a minute to do my baby hairs because I be trying to get them perfect, okay? And yeah, it takes me some time. So if this part of the video is a little lengthy, I'm sorry because I was trying to get the baby hairs right, okay? But it ended up really cute in the end, so I ain't even got a trip. But if y'all have any tips to make, baby hairs easier, let me know. Because I'm not a hairstylist. I just love, looking cute. So this is how I do. I really been liking doing wigs lately. So, yeah. All right, y'all. So I finished the baby hairs off camera because, it was just taking a little minute. So my bad. But now I am just curling my hair. I put some of my Redken heat protectant smoothing serum in my hair. And then I'm just going to be curling my head with my wand. I think this is a bedhead curling wand. But you can use your favorite curling wand that you have. So yeah, this is just pretty much what I'm doing, is just curling my whole head. she came back beat to the gods, honey. I'm just putting the final touches on my hair. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and enjoyed this hair because it looks so beautiful. If you guys have any suggestions or any colors that you want me to try, let me know in the comment box. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching.
Willie, big hit.